Recruit a winning team. Special needs parents, recruit and assemble your own winning team of all-stars. You'll need a team, a support team, to help your child reach their full potential. And you will need to choose not only the right doctors, therapists, teachers, aides, and coaches, but also family and friends that will be effective in helping you help your child reach their potential. You know, Helen Keller said it best, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Remember that when you're assembling your child's all-star team. And keep in mind that you'll also need 5 types of people on your team. You know, according to Mel Robbins, a dream team consists of the following 5. A cheerleader, someone who's a reliable source of encouragement, cheering you on. A challenger, someone who isn't afraid to tell it like it is. And the comfort zone crusher. This is someone who will help you get out of your comfort zone and encourages you to try new things. Think outside the box. The motivator, someone who is a couple of steps ahead of you and is able to show you what's possible when you do the work. And your child does the work. And lastly, the safe space. This is someone you are 100% comfortable with and you can be yourself with. They tend to make you laugh and remind you not to take yourself too seriously. And I would say begin by starting to identify who could be on your child's team and who might fit which type. And then ask them to be a part of your child's team. And as a side note, something I learned the hard way, don't forget once you have your child's team to keep the team members in the loop and update them, you know, monthly or something on progress or regression. And I'll include a few links below to help you learn more about assembling your child's team, interviewing therapists, etc. And in case no one's told you today, you are doing a great job. Be good to you. Take a deep breath, breathe in self-confidence, and exhale self-assurance. You got this. Oh, and P.S. I know the Dolphins are not a winning team at the moment, but they're Kaylee's favorite team. So that's why I'm wearing her jersey. Talk to you soon.